everybody. Saturday, 11:30 a.m. Had to, well, I didn't have to, but I come up Minute Mart to put some gas in the old van. We go home and park it in the garage for the big snowstorm supposed to hit here about 1 o'clock or so. I guess it's supposed to start 6, 7 inches, 8 inches, who knows? Maybe nothing but rain, who knows? It's 31 degrees right now, so it's looking like it's going to be snow. At least it's going to start out that way. So I thought I'd give you a look-see. You can see what we got here now, which is nothing. Just a little bit of a dusting we had there early this morning, but no accumulation at all. Like I said, it looks like it's going to be probably an hour from now it'll start snowing, and we'll see what happens. But as you can see, we're good so far. I got all my battery packs charged, all that stuff. Everything's ready to go in case the power is out. So we shall see. I'll get back to you and keep you up to date. Stay frosty. Well, back in the garage. Got some gas. There's a good look what it's like out now. I'm sitting in the van, getting ready to go in the house. Get back to you later if something interesting happens. Well, here it is about 4 o'clock. Started about 1. We probably got a couple inches, 2 or 3. It's coming down pretty hard. There's the road out there. The main highway's covered. Back behind my house, there's some cars going down the road. They shut the main intersection down and up in town as there's tractor trailers jackknifed on the hills. So it's coming down pretty good. Wait and see. We'll hang in there though. Hi there, everybody. Well, it's January 7th, Sunday morning, about 8:30 in the morning. Update on the storm. We got about maybe 4 inches. And by now that it stopped snowing last night, I don't know, 10 o'clock or so. Roads are in pretty good shape right now today. We didn't have any power outages. So it was nothing real exciting. They did have to shut down the hills going out of town for some tractor trailer accidents. Not accidents, but stuck tractor trailers, but nothing major. So it wasn't as bad as they said it was going to be. Don't know about the people north and northeast of me. Prayers for them up there. And while we were all focused on the northeast this morning, I saw Florida had a tornado, I think in Fort Lauderdale. So prayers for them people. So we didn't do too bad. It's actually about 31 and the temperature's going up. So they're calling for warmer temperatures this week in the middle of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, 40s, and rain, heavy rain. So probably the snow we have out there now won't last long. So I'm going to put up a little video here at the end of what it looks like outside now. And you can stay tuned and watch that. Afterwards, stay frosty. Dale out. Well, here's what it looks like this morning. There's a highway out there. It's pretty cleared off now. Truck's got, 3-4 inches maybe. That's about it. maybe 4 inches.
Out back.
Trees look pretty. Cars going down the highway, 90 mile an hour like usual. So, that's it.